Well, that's when it's time to start slamming one another. It's full contact, and we are underway. Willis, nicknamed champ, with the ball. At the outset, I talked about him being a winner, the consummate winner. 2 seasons of Slamball experience, 2 championships for him. His first foray to the rim, unsuccessful. Bird with the stop. Here's take flight White. His shot batted out by Bird. 2 blocks already for Bird. Now it's Thomas, back the other way, windmilling it home.
Thomas, a great combination of muscle and the ability to finish spectacularly like we just saw there.
John Thomas played professionally in Germany, Holland, Venezuela, and Finland. He's just a rookie in Slamball, but playing well. Champ Willis fires home his first dunk. 3-3 tied, 3 points for slam dunks, 2 points for conventional baskets inside that 3-point arc. Jelani Janice.
John, he can't call.
A push in the back and a face-off earned by Jelani Janice. Played basketball at Kansas under Roy Williams. And he's going up against the college football All-American in Amir Ismail. On the penalty shot, and that is how it's done. Pretty slam.
College basketball player in Janice going up against a college football player in Ishmael. Saw who got the better of that one.
And Ismail, an outstanding college football player. 2nd team All-American honors as a linebacker at Western Michigan. Here's take flight White with the finish. Whitney White played his college basketball at Cal State Northridge. Irie Bowden going hard to the tin.
Ice Lattimore, not the biggest stopper in the league, but